let's discuss about Roman civilization. Italy is a peninsula that stretches deeply into the Mediterranean Sea and is to south of Europe. The tribal community called Latins had inhabited this land. Rome was founded about 2500 years ago in the district of Latium south of the Tiber River. Romulus and Remus were the ancestors of Romans. Let's know about political history of Roman civilization. Julius Caesar and Augustus Caesar are the most important person in the political history of Rome. Pompey, Crassus and Julius Caesar formed the first triumvirate in Rome. They ruled over different regions as military generals. We'll know about Julius Caesar. With the death of Crassus, rivalry for power grew between Pompey and Caesar. In the war which followed, Pompey was murdered by Caesar. He defeated Egypt and fell in love with the beautiful Egyptian queen Cleopatra. He made himself a dictator and abolished the Republic of Rome. However, taking this move as an excuse, he was assassinated by his enemies. Agriculture, industry, trade flourished during the period of Caesar. Julian calendar was introduced. Augustus Caesar continued the work of Caesar. Now, let's know about Augustus Caesar. Augustus Caesar's first name was Octavius. Marcus Antony, Lepidus and Octavius formed the second triumvirate. Octavius shared power with Mark Antony by driving away Lepidus and finally defeated Antony. Octavius became the most powerful man in the Roman Empire. His period is known as the Golden Age of Roman Empire. Jesus Christ is known to have lived during this period. He introduced many social reforms and the rule was peaceful, which was called Roman peace. Naturally, economic and cultural progress was achieved. The success of Augustus were incompetent. They were defeated by the tribal invaders, resulting in the decline of a Roman Empire. We'll know about their contributions. Roman made great contributions to the literary world. Virgil was a great poet and wrote an epic Aeneid. Ovid was another great poet. Cicero and Plautus were great literary figures. Julius Caesar himself was a good historian. Cato, Cicero, Seneca were famous philosophers. They advocated peaceful coexistence with nature. The Colosseum and amphitheater are the best example of a Roman architecture. Cupid's statue and Arapaces sculptures are the best examples of the art of sculpting. Romans had a deep knowledge in science and mathematics. Pliny wrote the encyclopedia known as Natural History. Galen was a famous surgeon and Strabo and Ptolemy were famous geologists. Roman law served as the basis for the future laws. Latin was the language of the Roman Empire. Even today, the words from Latin are used in science, law and other branches of knowledge.